Hi everybody, welcome to E! Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Julian Marley reflects on Grammy win. The artist, who was recently in Jamaica to celebrate winning the Best Reggae Album at the 66th Grammy Awards, told E! Prime how thankful he was for the opportunity.
The music is reaching out there, but we don't feel no different because the love of music, how I love music, yeah, nobody can really, only God can really repay for that type of love for the music and the message of the music, you know. So to be humbly grateful to even receive an award is an up feeling though, you know, it's a good feeling.
Marley mentioned that his fans and family are a big reason for his success over the years. International Grammy-winning producer Not Nice also shared on his excitement.
It's a good feeling, you know, everybody dream of winning a Grammy, but it's just another milestone for me, so I have to continue work, but it's a great feeling, man, so then see a smile from my face. Alright, suppose me tell us if I'm just work on the project, Alex say, yo, this is the goal, we need to win this Grammy, and we just laugh and say, alright then, you know, everybody is going to say, man, yo, that one, we are taking it to the Grammy, but we went all the way with it, so it was always Alex's dream. From the first track was recorded, Alex said, yo, we are going to win this Grammy.
This is the first win after being nominated 3 times. The album came out ahead of Buju Banton's Born for Greatness, Beenie Man's Simmer, Collie Budd's Cali Roots Rhythm 2023, and Burning Spear's No Destroyer. Now, Niger Boy goes continental with new merch. The visually impaired singer's merch line includes t-shirts with the words Niger Boy and the name of his hit single Continent, along with 3 blocks representing his image. The shirts, designed by Fire Factory in Port St. Catherine, showcase the 7 continents which Niger Boy sings about.
Continental Factory, continental design. Yeah, that's the place to
so we can link up for the shirt and everything. We have them ready and all of that. So the quality is good, it's washable. And you know, ladies, summer's coming. So you know what I mean, I must have seated nice, comfortable and well fitted.
You know, so one of them are going to take off his shirt off and then I have to wash the one in the ladies.
Now, Niger Boy, who gained fame via Instagram in 2021 with his viral covers, has also been added to this year's Reggae Sumfest Night 2 and headlines a new campaign for Supreme Ventures. Rihanna returns to the stage after 8 years. The work singer ended her 8-year hiatus last week when she performed at the pre-wedding gig for an Indian multi-billionaire couple. Post-event, the Fenty brand owner shared her thoughts on the show.
How was the show? How was the show?
Huh?
The show?
The show was the best.
You killed it. You killed it.
I haven't done a real show in 8 years.
Yes, we saw the video. You killed it.
Although Rihanna performed for the Super Bowl halftime show and at the Oscars last year, she hasn't put on a full concert since her anti-world tour in 2016. There were reportedly 19 songs on Friday night's set list. Rihanna, whose payout was estimated at $6 to $8 million, performed her hit singles Work, Umbrella, Stay, All of the Lights, We Found Love, and Diamonds. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.